Hey, what's up? Hedera Hashgraph. How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update, the urgent update about Hedera Hashgraph. So, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, the latest price update of the Hedera Hashgraph is positive 0.25%. Positive 0.25%. The Hedera Hashgraph price increased just in the last 2 hours, 120 minutes. The Hedera Hashgraph pumps. So my friends, you know what? Hedera Hashgraph is a complicated coin in the market. No one can understand the move of Hedera Hashgraph. You can see this time the price pump, next hour the price dump. No one can understand. And a lot of people technical analysis is going wrong about Hedera Hashgraph. Personally, I'm telling about me that I found many times that Hedera Hashgraph is a complicated coin. Sometimes pumps, sometimes dumps. But anyways, now I noticed this talk in a Hedera Hashgraph that Hedera Hashgraph is good coin for investment, my friends. If you look the whole chain is, you can see that is the last 2 hours update, but the whole chain is, the average chain is in there, and the Hedera Hashgraph is positive. Every time I found positive 0.25% positive, my friends. So the changes is positive, that's mean that the price increase, and if the price increase, that's mean that you are getting profit from Hedera Hashgraph. So don't lose hope, just hold it, never decide to sell. I hope you will get a huge amount of profit from Hedera Hashgraph. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.